Hey everybody, it's Matt here, and today I have got the Amazon Echo Show 8, which I'm going to do an unboxing of. So this one has an 8-inch HD touch screen with adaptive color apparently, a 13 megapixel camera with cover, stereo speakers, Bluetooth, and of course a microphone and camera control so you can turn it on or off. So it's not there watching all the time. And this one, like all of the Amazon Echo gear, is compatible with tons of skills and services, which does include the Amazon Music and Prime Video services, as well as Apple Music, Spotify, and a whole bunch more. So this is the box. Obviously it's fairly small. So let's whip this one open, have a closer look at the Echo Show 8, as well as what comes with it in the box. So box has a really easy to open pull tab here for securing it. And switch that one open. Inside here, really easy pull tab there for pulling out the Echo Show, which is mostly in cardboard packaging. Pull that one open. And that is it. There's our camera on the front. Switch for closing that. Now this is in a plastic film as well. Speakers on the back. We've got power input. Looks like we've got a USB input there as well. Down the bottom of the box we have our wall transformer with our plug for going into the show. And hello, our quick start guide. So looks like it's going to be a really straightforward process to get it started up. Now I did buy this one already pre-connected to my Amazon account, so it's meant to be already pre-configured. Now that is it in the box. That's everything. So with it pre-configured, that should make it super easy. I believe I just have to plug it in, connect to the Wi-Fi, download the Alexa app for my phone, and then we should be pretty well good to go. We first up want to remove this plastic packaging so that we can plug it into the power. So pull that out. That's about it. Then on the back here, we've got our transformer input for our wall adapter, so we can plug that in here. And we'll plug this one in. So it's going to go in the back there. And also plug it into the wall. On the top of the show, we've got 3 buttons, a plus, minus, and the mic and camera on-off buttons. That turns the mic and camera on or off. And then of course, on the top here, we've also got 2 microphone inputs, stereo mic inputs, and then our switch to physically close the camera. So that covers that up entirely. This whole black section on the bottom is rubberized, so it should stay in place on most surfaces quite nicely and grip quite well. And that does feel really solid there. It doesn't feel like it's going to slide easily at all. So that's it. That's everything that comes in the box with the Amazon Echo Show 8. Hope you found this video helpful. For more information and pricing on these, make sure you check out the affiliate links down in the description. And of course, give this video the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.